In order to create a new process, we again go to programming. Then we can already see on the left side there are some processes. We create a new one. I call it drying. Here on the left side, we can see all the settings that we can activate on this process. For a simple drying step, we usually only use the dehumidifying with flaps, so we can set a maximum humidity. If it goes over that, the flaps are open. If it goes under that, the flaps are closed. If we don't have any humidity setting in the process, the flaps will stay open all the time. Other than that, we will eventually go through each of the settings. Here, what we also sometimes use is the frequency drive, 1 or even 2, depending on how many frequency drives we have inside the unit. Often what we have is we have one for the main fan and then one for the exhaust fan. So here I'm going to put those two, and that's all I'm going to do, and I'm going to save. Then I have this process here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one relay, let's say relay 23. I'm going to change that to a flaps relay, default position close. So what I'm calling this is fresh air open. And then I'm going to click the setting here, dehumidifying by flap control. I'm going to open that one and then save it. And we can see immediately the P, which means the process defines if it's on or off. In drying, I want to have the fresh air statically open. With one click, we can do that. And then the P stays, because if we work with a humidity setting, it's possible that the flap close. So again, if we have a setting of 50% humidity, the flaps are open over 50% and they close from under 50% in order for the product to release some more moisture, humidity, and then as soon as it goes over 50%, flaps open so it can dry out. If there is no humidity setting in the process, the flap will just stay open.